Hello once again and welcome on to our breakfast meeting. And well, this morning I'm sandwiched by two gentlemen who are still celebrating their victory. We're talking insurance this morning. UAP scooped 5 awards, but the biggest of all recently in the just concluded Uganda Association of Insurance Brokers Awards, UAP emerged the overall best insurer 2013. It's no mean feat, and would love to hear from them how they got there, whether there was some rigging or indeed this is meaningful and what this means to Ugandans. I'm joined in the studio by Dogo Singh, the marketing manager UAP. Thank you for joining me. Good morning.
Thank you very much.
And John Kauma, claims manager. Good morning.
Thank you.
How are you doing? Well, starting with Singh.
Yes.
With me here, before me, is a huge award. And I can feel from you that, of course, you're celebrating. How did this happen?
First of all, I want to say thank you very much for inviting us here today. Definitely, we are humbled, first of all, by getting this award. And it was given to us by our brokers. Basically, the brokers are intermediary. They also provide business to us, and we offer the service to them. So they are key in terms of our business. So how did we achieve this? There are key elements.
Overall best insurance.
Overall, the key is service delivery. Because if you do not offer good service, nobody will actually recognize your effort. If you do not pay claims on time, nobody will actually recognize your effort. If you do not come up with revolutionary products, not just some product, revolutionary products, nobody will actually recognize your effort. So we as UAP, we are very humbled, we are very thankful for this award, and it only gives us more impetus in terms of going forward, sort of to drive us to even better heights.
What were the benchmarks on which you got this award?
We have a couple of them. I'm just going to mention. One is service delivery. They measure us on that. Technical development. And then we have claims and settlement and product development. So in totality, when you win all these categories, the key is the cup that you're seeing in front of you.
John, someone out there would be interested in knowing what actually UAP is and what you offer.
Well, thank you, Simon. And Dogo, well put. Thank you. Again, before I answer that, I would also love to appreciate our brokers because we're in this business largely because of them. Now, UAP is a revolutionary financial services company. By that, I mean that insurance being the core business that we do, but we also do financial services. Now, specifically for this discussion, I would gather, we are a landmark insurance company. We've been in this market for at least 40 years. So we are not jokers. We've been in the business and doing it correctly. Regional presence, UAP is in, about five countries within the region. In the country, we have got about 5 branches, again, selling strong. UAP has got a revolutionary vision, and our vision is to transform the provision of financial services in Africa. So we are not looking home and looking at the immediate neighbors. We are in this business to change the way insurance and financial services.
Did you anticipate this victory, that you would emerge winner, overall, runner-up, in all the 5 categories?
We have been winning before, but again, we don't take it for granted. Actually, before this, I think 2012, we won on the same categories. We didn't emerge the overall insurer of the year, but the same categories we won. But the winning to us is not in terms of awards. The winning to us is in terms of the business that we do, the service that we provide on a daily basis. When my client walks in and they say, thank you for settling my claim, to us as UAP, that is the win. So brokers and so many other partners come on board to just add to the voice that the clients, continually tell us, you guys are doing a good job, and we're proud of that.
Dogo,
Yes.
as you bask in this victory, of course. Someone out there would love to know your current market share, how you're doing, how you're placed on the market in the insurance sector.
Thank you very much. UAP is one of the leading insurance company. We are currently number 2. However, in the next few months, if not maybe this year, we are anticipating to be the market leader. We have over the years sort of emerged as a very strong brand in the market, because we have offered different products that we think that resonates with our customers.
Could you take us through some of those products?
Well, we have individual products for family health. This basically means if you're a family and you need a cover, usually we have corporate clients, and most people actually offer corporate medical health. But now we are thinking about those people who are in downtown, the SMEs, and they want to get access to medical services, but they cannot because they do not have a forum to actually go and acquire medical facility. So what we have done is we've come up with a very innovative product that if you're an individual, a business person, and you want your family to be covered, let's say you're downtown in Chikubo and you have a family and the family requires medical health, you can easily walk into any UAP branch or office, or even ask the agents or the brokers, and we will be able to give you that family health product. We also have what we call Musaba's Assure. This is a passenger product that we've innovated, and basically it enables people who are traveling to up-country stations to be insured, and it's very cheap. It's only 1,000 shillings. So we anticipate people to be safe. I know they have most buses have insurance cover, but from a personal accident point of view, we also think any passenger traveling up country or within Uganda should have that cover. And the good thing
it's 1,000 per travel, per trip?
Per trip. And the good thing, it has a limit of 1 million. We give you a benefit of 1 million in case if you die. We give you 500,000 for funeral, and we give you 100,000 for medical in case if you get injured and you don't, let's say, succumb to death.
Okay. John.
Yes, sir.
What does the future hold for UAP? Because today we see so many players coming on the market. Aren't you likely to fizzle out?
Well, Simon, thank you again. Well put. We've been here for 40 years, and I don't say that lightly, because over the years we have seen players come and go. But maybe what is very important for us,
age could catch up with you.
Not really. The older we get, the better.
True.
Now, but I think what cuts out strongly for us is the value system. You see, we have a value proposition which is 5-fold insurance, and if I can go through them quickly, then you can understand why they don't only vote for us, but they also keep with us over the years. One, and very key, Simon, we build lifelong relationships. We communicate that insurance is a service, it is a relationship, and the longer you keep it, the more you stay in business. So then I can answer you, we'll be here because we have to keep the relationships. Two, and also very important, we are a pleasure to deal with. We just shared here lately that in your perception, insurance guys used to be mean-looking fellows. You see, that is a perception that we are out to demystify. Now we look at service, I should say. Three, and again quickly, we say what we do and do what we say. That is a promise. Again, over the years, people have talked of insurance as people who say one thing and do the other. But as UAP, we position ourselves to send one message, live by it, and stay with it. And then finally, you see, we are passionate to deal with. Passion is in so many ways. Service delivery, Dogo just talked about it. You see, how easy is it for someone to access a service? With UAP, do they leave smiling? Or they come and walk away saying, these are the same old guys?
Now, there is this headache when it comes to claims, and I'm glad you're the claims manager here.
Thank you.
It's such a tedious process to get your claim through, and this is typical of almost every insurance firm. How expeditious or how different, how unique is UAP?
Again, every firm will have a process or a procedure in which they sort of claims, but I will tell you, in UAP, we do it twofold. One, professionalism. You see, if you're able to demonstrate that you know what you're doing, then I'll be at service for you.
And that's
two,
what causes bureaucracy. Because you want to show me how professional you are.
No. You see, professionalism, Simon, is me anticipating that you're here for 2 hours. And I make sure you leave before 2 hours. You see, professionalism does not mean I pull out my book and look for the tiny detail and tell you, no. Professionalism is understanding your clientele and then delivering or actually exceeding the expectations. That is how we value ourselves. And then two, and very important, is expeditious settlement. We have won, I think, the claims award twofold. You know, the market actually understands that in terms of claim settlement, you go to UAP. And that is the business anyway, because you insure with a promise that when you have a problem, I'm there to help you. Not there to help you after a long while when you've already lost interest in your claim. So for us, speed is key and convenience, but most importantly, again, is the way we do it, and that is the profession.
Finally, Dogo,
Yes.
what do we expect from UAP this year? Now that you have this, is compliance likely to check in? You sit back and relax?
Okay, thank you very much. One thing that you have to understand, UAP is ISO certified. When I mean ISO certified, it's international standard certified in terms of our operational processes. That gives us an upper hand in terms of service delivery, because if every process from claims to underwriting is properly managed, then the client will actually experience the service that we're giving. The other thing that is key, maybe just to add on what John was saying, is customer-centric. UAP is positioning itself as a customer-centric. We have a full department as a customer care department. Most insurance companies do not have a customer care department. UAP, we've set it up, and the reason is for us to passionately engage with our client and also to understand what our clients need so that we can actually give these products and services to fit their needs. As you said, insurance is a complicated
very alien to so many people.
and I think it's just an issue of awareness, because if somebody knows the procedures, if somebody knows what he's supposed to do, it's a very clear, simple process. And that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to give service with a smile, service that actually resonates with the market. And that's key for us. And this year, the award has come through. It's not the end of the world. We are planning to go even miles in terms of our service. So in terms of service quality, we are promising our client that we'll do everything. We'll develop products that actually will give them an edge in the market.
John and Dogo, thank you very much for coming in. That's all we had for you on the breakfast meeting. Congratulations. Maybe I should take a pause with this for the record. Have a lovely day. May God bless you.
Thank you.